Access denied. Access denied. At midnight. What do you mean I can't open the fridge? Come on, modern fridge. I just want a tiny midnight oil shake snack. My gears are crying.
According to my digital scans, you are on a strict midnight diet, Robot X. No snacks allowed.
A diet? For a robot? Very funny. Time to find the manual override switch. Just one little pull. Open up, you stubborn machine. Cold, cold. That is definitely a freezing penalty.
Okay. I get the message. I'll go eat a healthy battery instead.
Aha! Victory is mine anyway! Wait, 1% battery again? Oh, you've got to be kidding.